The Plas Coch is located in the centre of Bala and is perfectly central to enjoy some of the best outdoor activities that the area has to offer. A warm welcome awaits you. The surroundings leisurely and homely from the very start. Why not enjoy a wide range of our local foods, cooked fresh on location? From our famous carvery on the weekend to other tasty meals. There is something for everyone. Our rooms are modern and fresh, but also in keeping with the hotel's traditional feel. Telephone, television and tea-making facilities come as standard, with internet connection also available throughout. We offer a wide range of rooms, from family, double, as well as singles. The Plas Coch Hotel also offers conferencing facilities, as well as function rooms. For further information, contact us via Facebook or by calling 01678 520 309.